Hello and welcome to our channel. I am DC and the topic of the day is Introduction to Linear Equations in One Variable. So we'll talk about linear equations and here we are using one more terms which is one variable. Suppose we want to understand variable, yes? So what is a variable? If you look little carefully into this word, it is made of very and able. Very means change, right? And able, I think you know. So variable means anything that is able to change itself. Yes. So it makes sense. So variable is that can change itself, right? So we can define a variable as it is a quantity which can change. Now, in our day to day life, we come across many variables. For example, on a certain morning, you wake up and you see the weather forecast. What do you see first thing in your weather forecast? Temperature. Yes. So, temperature of the day is written to be, say, 10 degree to 25 degree. Now, if you want to know the temperature at, say, 11 o'clock, you are not sure. It can be a number between 10 to 25, but you are not sure exactly what the number is, right? So in such case, if you want to represent that temperature, you use a letter, say T in this case, and the temperature, since it is changing, we call it variable. Well, you see the weather forecast and it is a beautiful day and your match was scheduled in the stadium. Now you want to go from your home to the stadium. Let's go. Okay. Now stadium is say 2 kilometers away from your home and you have many choices there. You can go walking. You may actually go running also and you may take a taxi as well. Depending on what mode of transport you use, the speed of your traveling is going to change. Yes, so the speed in this case is also a variable because it can change, right? You are going by car, you can go slow, you can go fast. So it is changing constantly, isn't it? So that is also a variable. We can represent it by letter S. Once you reach there in the stadium, you want to check how much time it took to reach. All right. See, you are doing your regular daily activities, but you are dealing with these variables. Isn't it interesting? Once you reach there, then you play your match and your score of the day, how many points you scored, that is also going to be a variable. It is not certain. So since it is not known, so we can represent this also by any of the alphabet. It's your choice. Let me say the score, let my score of the day be X. All right. So these things in our daily day-to-day life, we are coming across certain things which are changing. And these are called variable.